Now let's take a look at this roof here. So I'm up on my roof level. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is, as I discussed, is duplicate this wall here. Okay, and we'll call it INS-T. So I'll add in on the outside here, the exterior side, a finish 4. And I'll use a rock wool or something. Material for this. I'll use that thermal rock floor in this case. So we could take a look here and see if there's that TECH. I'm not quite sure. I'm not familiar with that one. There's a stone wall. Here's the rock wall. 150p with aluminium foil. I don't want that. So we could use something like that. Let's take a look over here. Okay, and the thermal 150 kg. Okay, so let's use that one. And we put it in at 150. Now I need to insert another finish here. It should be a finish 5, and this will be a render. Okay, so we'll do the render white smooth, and pattern is that. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, okay, and we do that at 12. Now, if I use a proprietary system like Store, one of those, then I probably need to download that and insert that in at this point. Now, that will probably do me. Okay. So let's just take a look at this here and see how that works out. Right, you can see now it's kind of moved in a little bit. So I will select each of these walls and swap them over for that, and I'm going to do the same. These ones here, swap them over. Now I need to just get my modify align in here. So to that, align this, and to that, align this. That one looks okay. Let's see what this one looks like, and it is to this, align that. Right, now don't mind that sticking out a little bit there, as I said. We will sort that when we come to it. Okay, I think that one's okay, that one's okay, that one is not. So it's do this, align that. Now, and then, right. Now, so there's my walls done here. Okay, so for my roof material, I'm going to use the Bowder total roof system here. So I've downloaded this from the NBS library. I think a lot of you have this already, but you can just do a search for NBS library Bowder total system, and you can download that. So this comes as a system family, and the only way we can get this into our project is to transfer project standards. So we'll just go back into my roof plan here now, manage, and it is transfer project standards, transfer from Bowder. We check none, and all we want is roof types. Okay, now if I can pick up my roof here, that's the edge. So let's just tab this. Yeah, okay. And So we're going to duplicate this and call this the roof slab. Okay, type. Now that's that one there. So I've got the insulation now. The bowder comes with all of this. So all I really need to add to the bowder is the concrete cast in situ. Isn't that it? So I'll cancel that and I'll hit the drop down box here. And let's pick up the bowder roof. Term. So that should have come in. And so better still, this is the way we go about this. Roof by footprint. Yeah. Now hit the drop down box. Now we'll find the bowder. Here's the bowder here. So we pick that, edit type, and edit the structure. Okay, so we want to insert into this a structure one, yeah. And we'll do cast in situ. Okay, and this will be 200. Now, so we got the core boundary there. I think that's okay. If it lets me work with that, I'll work with that. That's fine. And do a coarse scale fill here. I'll just do the light blue. Right. Now I'll just create that over here, just to get it into the project or set within the project. Okay. That's it there. Now what I'm going to do is just tab here. Nope. Tab. Floor. Okay, so we're going to swap that out for our new floor. Okay, doesn't seem to want to work that way, so it should be here. Am I just not seeing it, or NBS? Oh, it's a roof, of course, that's why. So I had this in as a floor, and of course it goes in as a roof. That's obvious. So floor, delete. Now, so we'll create a new roof, and let's put this in here. So we go from there all the way across. Okay, and just select all of that. We want it to be flat, just that, and then we're going to take out these sections here. So that's, if you don't have your thinking cap on and you're working on the basis of a floor, when actually it is, of course, a roof. Okay, and then select those to find slope. Now, let's get that in and let's go straight into a section and see where that has arrived. Okay. Now we can move this roof down. That's not a problem. So we will align it. This. Now, is that right? Oops, I don't think that's right. So, Now the roof level is that. Okay, so this is working up, isn't it? And we want the roof structure down a piece here. So let me just double check this here, annotate. Okay, 3150 there. So I really want this down. So we'll align it this way. Do this, align that. Now, so, okay, I'm going to, the parapet one is annoying me now, so I'm going to, I said I might do this, so I'm going to duplicate this one, and we'll call this basement. No, this is parapet wall. Okay, and we'll just make it 300. Right, now I think that's more like it. I don't know why these walls are kind of sitting down here. Obviously it has something to do with the roof. Let's just go into a 3D here. Take a look, see. Yeah, everything seems to have shifted up. Let's just go back into that section. Okay. So yeah, we're working on the top. So the level is on the top here. And so it is these walls here that need to go back up. So let's filter, check non-walls. Okay, now offset varies. It should be 0. We should go back up. Okay, now that's better. Okay, and that's the insulation there. So that roof probably needs to come over here a little bit more. Yeah, that's fine. So roof. The easiest way to do this is go back into fine. Okay, and then we'll select our roof, sorry. So tab, 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 tab. Sometimes it's difficult just to select the roof here. So I'll open up a section, select it that way. Now, edit the footprint, and we're going to use our align tool here. So it'll be into the structure here. So tab it, and okay, tab. And then over here it'll be the same. Okay, now let's get in here and do that as well. So it is tab to here, align that. Here, align that. So I want to get the roof into the structural outside face of the structural wall here. Okay, that should be good. Now let's take a look at this. Okay, so I need to do something with the walls over there as well, and the columns. So I'm not quite sure why they decided to offset. It obviously has something to do with the roof and the way I put it in. So I just need to go around and do some edits there to get that. You'll notice that these are up through the roof as well. So there will be a top offset of minus 300 or so, something like that. Okay, I need to do that to all of those walls. So I've got my so I've got my roof in, I've got my parapet in. Yeah, that seems to have shifted out as well. Always something here, but you get the idea. Okay, so it's the other section that I need. Let's do this one for the moment. Now that seems to be fine. Okay, and if I just drop this wall down to here, that is a minus 437. Okay, so to pick up all of those walls, that is a column that needs to be 0. All right, so we just need to go around now and do those various different repairs that need to be done. And then the last thing on the roof will be is to see if we can arrange some falls on this as well. And we'll do that in the next video.